Hi everybody, Keith Best here once again. This one is how to spin your titles because some people have been, you know, getting their sites not indexed or they're getting them like sort of getting errors in Search Console where they're getting like sort of duplicate content and things like that errors. And that's basically probably due to their titles not being spun. So they're getting the titles are actually, being the same. And Google's look at that and I think, well, I'm not going to bother indexing that one because he's already got page index for that. So that's what they're going to do. So I've just pulled up here. I'll just make this a bit bigger so you can see it. Okay, so I've just got these here. Now I would work out, I want like at least six, between 6, 10, or as many as you can do with your keyword. So, we could like sort of add another one on there, which would be 24 locksmith in location. Yeah, so we can do that, or we can have like sort of if we do location locksmith, yeah, and just put that on the end. And I mean, in here we could actually have like sort of region, yeah. So if we bang that in, okay, so that should give us, obviously your meta titles 71-ish, like sort of characters. You can go up to about 80 or you can go to even more. You don't get penalized for it, just Google supposes not to read it, but then again, sometimes they do because sometimes they actually show more. So, I tend to keep mine round about the 70 to 80 mark. I tend not to go over the 80 mark. But, so if we're going to like sort of spin this, let's just give myself some space. So I could put on there like that. Yeah, so that's locksmiths. Location, can't really do a lot of that, but region, because we want the location in, but region, I could do that. So that would at one point come out as region, as one point would come out as nothing. 24-hour, you could change that to 24-hour. Now, commercial, residential, and auto locks replacement, I would take that, put in a little tool I've got. There's other tools which do this, which basically all you're going to do is rearrange the words. You'll be able to find others. This is a paid tool, but that's because it's got all the other stuff in. So do that, and then do rearrange. I get all these out, do a copy, go into the spinner. Like I say, you'll find other ones which will spin a list, so you can just use that. But then I want to put in there and copy that. That's okay, and then get rid of that. Make spin text. Then I can do gone, not me out yet. So then I can change that. Your commercial, residential, and auto. Now you can also put inside there, that makes it even more unique. So we've got that. Commercial. So you can have like looks. In replacement, we could have replaced. Okay, so there's that one. So if I just put an X in here, where was the other one? In here. So if I go to check spit tax, put an X in there. So it's 133% unique. Okay, so you've got like, you know, lots and lots of different variations you can have there. And that's just off one of them. Okay, so go back to my list. So that would be the one. I'm just going to take these out. I'm going to put the other one there. Okay, so then come down to the next one. That would be the same. Well, in fact, all of it would be the same, wouldn't it? Yeah. So really, that's going to be similar. Obviously, you could, you know, change these around. You could have. Well, in fact, let's do it. Let's put that in first, and then you change that, and put that there. So that's now changed around slightly, even more. And then we've got, let's do something different on this one as well. So if we have 24-hour locksmith, so we have 24-hour locksmith location. We'll do the region the same. So you can put like sort of, you know, or home. Locked out could become broken key. Oh. Obviously, like I say, it would take more time in putting this together. These are just come off the top of my head. And you can put it in a spin rewriter. You know, it just, let's take this one. In fact, let's take this one because I'll get more of that one. We chuck it in spin rewriter. Rewrite article. You've got car, you've got vehicle, you've got automotive, you've got car or truck. Locksmith, locksmith professional, 24-hour. Oh, there's another one, 24-hour. Like I say, we'd have that, but we might have commercial, might be business, residential, could be domestic, could be home. Obviously, we've already got car and vehicle. Look. And then replacement, installation, repair, upgrade. Yeah. So that's 99% unique. We've got over 1,000 possible variations. So then all you do is you put that in to your text file. Okay, so say that's our, get rid of that emergency one for now. So say then, what we got there, 4. So then 4 are our ones what we worked out. Like I say, you'd spend a bit more time with them and actually work them out so that they do it properly. Oops, I want the other one, don't I? Let's that one. So now all you do is you go into your magic page and you scroll down and you would go into new spin DAX shortcode and you do meta titles. Now I always say you don't need to, but I just do. Add a new option. I think I have 4 in there. So 4 new options. So here, so I can just click it. Copy that one. Put it in. 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 Okay, so that's all them 4 put in. Now, we had 1,000 variations of that one. Now, obviously, that one's not going to have as many, but we could still have, maybe 100. Then we'd have, we could have 1,000 variations of that one, 1,000 variations of that one. So you're talking about like 3,000 variations of our, keywords here, our titles, which they're going to be picked up from all individually. So if we save that, then all you do always, once you've saved something like that, make sure you do an update. And then when you've got that done, scroll down, on next fields, titles, copy it, and put it in there. And then update again. Then what that is, that will then come out as your meta title. What you can also do, obviously, because if you spend time doing this, is say we take that one, and put that there, and then when we update, we're going to get 1,000 different variations of our actual page titles. So the page title is going to be told completely different, which unless you're using something else, that'll be at H1. Your URL is obviously just going to be the location name, but your meta title is going to be different. But they're all going to have locksmith location, locksmith in location, 24 locksmith location, auto vehicle. So you're telling Google, like, sort of, that you are all about being a locksmith because that's what all your keywords are for. Obviously, your title will have locksmith location in, your URL's got locksmith in. So, the 3 main factors what Google looks for, you're actually got the right keywords in. Okay, guys, hope that helps. Catch you later. Bye.